Are you often sitting for extended periods? Do you frequently experience aching discomfort in your back? Through the application of targeted techniques, this massage aims to stimulate the contraction and subsequent relaxation of the muscles and soft tissues around the shoulder blades. By doing so, it endeavors to induce a state of relaxation in the muscles, offering respite from the tension accumulated during prolonged periods of sitting. The method employed here not only enhances muscle tension, but also boosts local blood circulation. The massage technique further facilitates the dilation of capillaries throughout the entire body, fostering improved blood flow. This holistic approach to circulation improvement can contribute significantly to reducing associated pain, offering relief to those familiar with the discomfort that often accompanies extended sedentary work. In particular, attention is given to promoting blood circulation in the neck area. By doing so, the massage aims to alleviate tension in the muscles around the neck, a common complaint for individuals engaged in desk work. This targeted approach not only addresses immediate discomfort, but also contributes to slowing down the degeneration of the cervical spine, potentially serving as a preventive measure against conditions like cervical spondylosis.